Alright, let's continue with the second part. So the next thing I want to do now is I'm going to enter exit here, some lines of code for exits before I start work on this very one. And I got a feedback from one of the previous fast food. They would like to see the price displayed as well, so I'm just going to make up something here and there. Okay, so right here, those are the lines of code for the exits right there. Okay, so I just maybe change that to fast food. Alright, so when I run it, let's save and run first. I'll click on this. You see that fast food right there. No, you don't want to exit. Yes, you want to exit. Okay, the next thing is, you see right here where we have fries here, I'm going to use that to try out the price. So let's give that a shot here. I'll just enter tab. I think the price of a fries might be about maybe £1.20, something like that. I don't know. That's alright. So let's try that out. Okay, right there, that's the price of that. But the other problem is I'd like to maybe justify this right. So instead of doing it individually, I'm just going to copy that, and let's come to edit and let's replace all of that with this. So that would make life easy for me instead of doing it individually. So replace all. There we go, all done. Run the program and let's see how it all looks like. You see, they are all now justified right, apart from this one. Maybe we need to reduce that. Okay, that shouldn't be any problem anyway. I think he's saying frame 3. So we're going to look for frame 3 and maybe reduce the width of frame 3. Yeah, maybe we'll reduce it. Let's reduce frame 3 width to maybe 4. Just try one out and see how it looks like. Reduce that to about 4. Run. Let's see. Okay. Maybe not. Alright. I'll take it back to 6 and here maybe leave it as that for now. Just repeat that for this very one. Then we look for another solution for that. Okay, and the other thing is it has actually reduced the size of this. Maybe I should move this. Let's move that back. Let's come back in here and get rid of one of those tabs. And then let me find and just make frame 3 what it was. Yeah, make it all justify right, and hopefully that should do it. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so tab 2. So let's come back here. I'm just gonna copy these across. Then let's go for the salad right here, the price of the salad. Let's see how that's gonna look like. Maybe for salad we can call that maybe £2, £2.10, £2.10. That's fine for the salad. Let's see. Okay, that's not bad. So I'm just going to speed that up now that I presume you all get the idea. I'm going to speed that up to make life a bit easy for me. Then what will happen is I will then multiply whatever is in here with this to get the overall total somewhere here. And let's see, we need, oh, for the hamburger we need to take care of that. Then let's see, maybe if we reduce it to 1. Okay, all right, so let's speed that up then. Okay guys, this is how it all looks now. The price are now displayed, and that's how it's going to be. So let's take care of reset button before we finally have a look at the total. So the resets, unlike when I click on this, I like it to default all of these back to 0. And anytime I check on this, I would like these to enable the text box and also get rid of the 0. Okay, so let's do that now. Okay, let's create a function so that we can reset all of this. I'm gonna close that and let's look for, let's see, right here underneath there, I'm gonna create define, let's call that reset there. And since the default value is all zeros, so I'm just gonna copy all of these. Those will be my reset and just paste it right underneath here there. Okay, let's indent it, select it all, edit, and then format, indent. Yeah, that is one taken care of. Okay, the next thing is we need to be able to disable the text box, because we do have text.state there, this one. So I'm going to copy that and let's go up here right underneath there. I think the first one is txt, so let's copy this first, txt fries, paste that in there, txt fries dot configure. Okay, and the state is going to be this, so we copy that and we enter it in a bracket. So that is the first one, default set for the text box. So the second one is the txt salad, paste that and copy paste. Then we have the hamburger, and copy this, paste it there. So all I'm just doing is working on my reset, so have a look at it. That's the default, the reset definition, the defined function for the reset button really. So we've done hamburger, we now need the onion ring. Copy that, paste that in there. I'm going to copy the config and paste it there. I suppose you get the whole idea to reset the text box, so I'm just going to speed that up now as well. Okay guys, the lines of code for the reset of the text box all taken care of. So let's take it from here and so that you guys see the rest. That's it. So all I need to do now is I'm just going to enter that into the reset button here, right here, reset. So here let's enter a command. We enter command equals reset, and that is it. Although you guys want, nothing will happen now if I save and run, because it's all 0 anyway. Nothing is happening yet until I start taking care of all of these ones. Okay, now exit is taken care of, reset sorted, and we just need the total. So let's start work on the total itself. Okay, in the case of the total, I'm going to start by, let's define a function here. Let's see, let's come right down here, just define a new function. Okay, let's call it check button. That's the name of my function there. That should be column really. So I will use an if statement. If variable 1 dot get equals 1, then we say txt fries dot configure, and the state, we want the state to be equals normal there. And else, let's say else the state will become else the state will become disabled. So let's go for disabled right here. Disabled. Alright, so I will try this out if it works. So I'm going to copy that check button. I'll come to total right here. That's my total button. There we go. Then enter command equals check. Okay, let's save and run it, then we take it from there really. So that's command. There should be a comma here. Alright, let's do that again. Okay, check there. Alright, so that's fine. But if so, we can now enter anything in there. Alright, and let's say reset there. That works. Okay, that's fine. But there's something I'd like to draw your attention to. I think the method I've used is wrong, because if I check this, I have to click on total to give me room to enter value in there. That's not good enough. Supposing this checkbox actually take controls, and this will only take care of just the addition. So what I will do is, right in here, I'm going to copy this variable. Yeah, that variable right there. Copy it, paste it in here, and let's say dot equals nothing. And else, if we uncheck, we would like it to become 0. Yeah. So that would be for the very first button. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just do that for the first, this very one. I'm gonna change it. That would be the name now. Check fries. So I'm going to copy that, and right inside check fries here, the check button fries right here, let's enter command equals check fries, and the check button here in total, I'm going to get rid of that because I'll be using that for just total, to add up the total, or undo that. Yeah, total. I'll come back to that. Then this very one, so when we click on the checkbox, the text box should be cleared, and this should be 0 really, yeah, and disabled. So let's run it and see, but make sure you call your command. That's it right there. So I'm going to run that and let's see what's going to happen. So instead of using total, I just click on this. You see that, guys? I can then enter whatever value I want in there. Okay, if I uncheck, there, default back to 0. If I decide to just leave it like that, I can always reset it with that. So that's much better. So I'm going to come in here, I'll copy all of these and use that for the salad itself. Paste that in there, and that will be salad. So in the case of salad, the value is 2, the variable is variable number 2, and this one is also salad. Let's change that to salad. Yeah, we have our salad there, and the salad does have variable salad as well. That makes life easy right there. Okay, now the command salad would be right inside the salad. So let's copy this command and paste it right in here. There, comma, paste, and change this to salad. There. Okay, save and run. There, we can enter value right in there, and right here, we need to clear that. Let's see, I think I've called the wrong name. Yeah, I called the wrong name. Copy that, paste that in there. Alright, now give that a shot again. There, that's good, and that's brilliant. So we can then multiply this by this by this. Okay, right, and just click on total. Alright, that's fine, that's much better. Let's see if this works for that. That is good. Okay, let's take care of these 3 here, then we'll speed it up. Now let's come in here. I'm going to copy all of these, maybe just copy all. So all I just need to do is change the details there, and this is going to be hamburger. Copy the hamburger and just change it to RAM. There, repeat the same thing here, and this become 3, and this become hamburger. Yeah. Okay, instead of fries here, that should become hamburger as well. Change that to hamburger, and this one becomes hamburger as well. Okay, after the hamburger, what else do we have? But then let's get our command in place for the hamburger. Right here, comma, command equals hamburger. Yeah. Now the next one is onion rings. Onion rings, come right down here. There. Another one. Okay. And now one here. And this is 4, variable number 4. Okay, let's do the last one then, and I'll then speed it up and get it done. Okay, the last one after onion ring, we have the chicken salad. and that will be variable number 5. 5. Okay, so what is left? We need a command. Chicken, that's the command right here, comma equals that, and the other one is the onion ring. So copy that, and where we have the onion ring, comma command equals onion rings. Okay, I'm gonna save and try this out. Let's give it a try and see. Yeah, that's fine, and that's fine too, so we can enter value in there. Okay, reset. Well, let's uncheck. Yeah, alright, that is fine. Reset it all. Okay, that's working as we want. So what I will do now is just speed it all up and get back to you. Alright, I've completed the function for the checkboxes. So let's scroll down, then you can see it all. Take it from here. Okay, and each of these functions were then called from the checkbox. Let me just show it to you all. Yeah, all right, up to here, those are the functions. So I'm going to save and run. There we go, guys. So let's try it out. When I click on this, you can see the number in there disappears. Okay, so let's try it for all of the checkbox. You see that, guys? Can you see that? Yeah, that's fine. And if I uncheck, you get the whatever value is in there is back. Okay, all right, that's fine. So all that is left for us to do now is to actually write some lines of codes for this calculator to work, or for this total to work. Well, with that, I'm going to call it the end of the second part of this tutorial, and the third part will work on this total to add up whatever amount of item you intend to use. Like I have 5 here, which means 5 multiplied by £1.20. In the third part of this tutorial, we'll take care of that. So see you guys later.